So welcome back, this is part 2 of a 2-part video where we go apartment hunting. So if you've not seen the first part, click the link in the description to go back to part 1 before you watch this one. After we've seen the last 2 apartments, the next sort of 4 or 5 we looked at were all pretty much crap. They all had something wrong with them. So whether that was depressing, weird, just plain weird. Unclean. Too many barking dogs. Loads of other problems. But then we waited a couple of days before going on to the next apartment, and then our look kind of changed. So now we eat watermelons, watch.
Disgusting, you sound like an alien.
Just knocked this bad bag up for my mum.
Celebrate a birthday. Oh yes, it's good to be the best. Eat a lot of cake and you don't even have to bake. Cause you're another year older, another year cooler. So hope you have lots of fun. Maybe get out there in the sun. Cause all we really wanted to say is, hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.
Best edit ever. On our way to see the next apartment. What's the name of the street this one's looking at?
This one's an Alco, which is kind of the main road that runs through Tay Ho.
Right, so yeah, so this one's on the main road, still in Tay Ho. Houses, it's been a couple of days since we looked at the last one, and the apartment prices seem to have dropped, or there's better things have become available basically. So we've got good hopes for this one because it looks pretty good. Let's go check it out. Yeah.
Là lâu này.
We want to take one to lease up.
Đấy, từ 3 từ 4 là chưa phát.
Oh, this is quite good, isn't it? Do you like it? I think it's alright.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Hoa.
2. Babe, it's nice this one. I think this one's alright.
Very like, yeah, nice apartment. Very nice.
Điều hòa là 1 tiếng không đều hết.
Have a rooftop.
Oh, rooftop too? Oh.
Yeah.
Cà phê, rượu cả đây được.
Yeah.
Bút đời, cả bút đời.
Yeah, it's nice.
Quen quá thì phải.
Như kiểu đi dẫn đi mua xem nhà, xem đất gì ở nào đâu.
Yeah.
It's a rooftop, nice.
It's alright, isn't it?
Nice, yeah. 2 rooftops. Lots of space, yeah. Very nice.
Okay. It's a bit small, isn't it? But it's, to be fair though, I think it just needs airing out, doesn't it? That's the only thing.
Because it's not new, because that's what we're doing on.
Yeah.
Do you have any on the higher floors? Or is this the only one?
Còn đầu tiên ông tầng 2, còn the second floor và với lại tầng 5.
And the 5th floor.
And the
Can
fifth
we look
floor.
at the 5th floor one? Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah.
More money though, that's all. But we'll just still see
I
it.
think this because it's
Yeah.
downstairs and there's no light.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Isn't it? Yeah, I like this. I really like this. Do you?
Yeah.
Do you like? I like it. I really like it.
How much is this one? 550. 550.
Có tầng
There's lots more though.
Đừng hành nó bên ngoài.
A lot more though. But it is nice.
Đây, muốn đi ngoài.
Show the mattress.
Em bảo này sau váy.
It's got a soft mattress. So far it's well irritating, this apartment search, because we found loads of really nice ones that are nice in different ways. Some of them are like really affordable. Some of them are, you know, really good natural lighting, really good decor. Some of them are really good location. But then they've all got something that isn't quite right. But we've seen two nice ones that we definitely happy living in. The only problem with one of them was that it didn't have good enough Wi-Fi. Potentially didn't have good enough Wi-Fi, but I might have been, you know, just doing a speed test on the wrong Wi-Fi, because I had like 4 floors in each of the different Wi-Fi, and I think I was maybe testing the wrong floor. And then the next one, what was wrong with that second and last one then?
Was it just a bit basic?
And the second and last one was just, it was really good, but it was $4.50, so it was a bit higher price than the other one, and it was just a bit basic. But they were both really nice, and we'd be happy living there, but none of them were just perfect. So we're hoping, we've got one more to see today. Hopefully it might be like fate, and it might be the best one and blow us away, and then we'll get it, but we'll see. Anything to add?
Drove me to eat a cereal from the box.
Don't take much to drive you to that level though, Shiv. Fruit Loops, you know how much they cost in Vietnam?
I'm buying my beer.
They cost about £3.
Millionaire food.
That's enough to get you tea for 3 days in a row. And by tea, I mean dinner, not cups of teas. So Vietnam has one of the most confusing address systems in the world. So they have numbers like anywhere else, but sometimes the house numbers or apartment numbers aren't numbers at all. They're actually alley numbers. So basically we're on like a street here called Nagi Tam, and like it's like 289 and 290 are just apartments, and then 291 is an apartment, and then 292 is an alley with different numbers in it. So like there's like 6A, 292, 6B, and like this whole street is 292. So they put the word in the goal before it to mean alley, but it's just really confusing. Okay. This is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, so this bit is quite well, really nice, isn't it?
Just the kitchen though, isn't it?
Microwave.
Microwave in that, okay, yeah. Hot water, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
And fridge. That's good.
Nice out here at the washing machine. The balcony is full.
Is it nice? Yeah, nice, nice, comfy, yes. Yeah, nice bathroom. Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, okay. Plus, nice and big, isn't it?
Don't usually get much sun.
The light, that's the only thing, isn't it? But it's still nice
Still
though.
an outdoor space.
So we've done apartment hunting for the day. Gonna go home and decide tonight. We just found a little local Vietnamese place to get some tea. Buncha, only 30k, which is about £1, and it looks like a nice little place.
And this is right next to the place where we think either apartment number 1/2 is. Oh gosh, what has happened to my panda eyes? You know, I love walking around like this all day. That never tells me.
I don't notice.
Didn't notice that I look like a panda.
I like pandas. Pandas are sweet.
Damn the humidity.
So this is where we're eating. We're gonna enjoy our food now. So go make a decision and then check back in later. Good morning. So today we're going to sign our lease on our new apartment. We're going to go meet the estate agent now. Give her the deposit. Give her the first, is it 2 months rent?
Yeah.
First 2 months rent, and then we move in on Fridays as soon as basically this, because we paid for this apartment for 2 weeks, so we don't want to move in now because it'd be a waste of money. We're moving on Friday, but we're going to pay the deposit now, and then we've got some fun stuff planned for today. Yesterday we went to a fruit lady and bought these for 25 25,000 baht. Of 25,000 dong, sorry, I'm still on time money for some reason. For 2 of these. This is a full pineapple that's been peeled. And we got them both for like, I think that's about 85p or something like that. So it's like 40 pence each basically. Got the bag open. So we're going to taste whether it's worth the 40p. How do we do it? Just go for a bite. Look at that though, how cool is it the way they cut it?
I think you could probably slice it as well, but we're lazy, we're not gonna.
What, just go for a bite?
Yeah.
They're actually a bit sour. More of the fantastic wiring in Hanoi. So, something's different's going on this morning. There's never usually backed up traffic on this road. And there is today. So I don't know what's gone on. What do you think's happened, Shiv? I don't think it's that though, because look, there's all these same little tour buses. So I think something must be going on. I don't know what. But I've never seen this before. We've been here about a couple of weeks now. So I think we might be getting to the source of the commotion because I just heard some sort of voiceover speakers and music. What do you think it is? What is going on? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I'm going to try and be discreet about it because it's looking sensitive, but I think what's going on here is a funeral session, but it's like a huge, huge procession of cars.
This must be somebody important. If I can fill like 92 tour buses with my funeral, then something went right in mine.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but there's people in ceremonial garb. There was a big black, like, I don't know, limo type car at the front.
Casket with like all flowers and stuff all over. It's a Buddhist ceremony as well.
Yeah. Interesting thing to see in the start of the morning.
But actually at the other end of this road, at the other end of this road there's a Buddhist temple as well, which is not that common in Vietnam. You don't really get many of them.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why this road is busy. Maybe that's where they've just been for the funeral.
Yeah. So the apartment that we decided to go for is the one with a slightly overbearing landlord who was like being really friendly to us, but a little bit overbearing on the first day. He was like following us around, offering us coffee, like laughing with us, and but he didn't speak a word of English. But he was just really, really sort of loud and brash, but in a nice way.
He's a very trustworthy man to be a landlord.
This guy you were seeing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he seems like a really straight up guy.
Yeah.
Friendly, not in the like scamming sense of the word. Like we've had people be friendly to us here that were just like, oh yeah, you want to take me on a tour on your tuk-tuk. Yeah. But it wasn't like that. It was just like genuinely buzzing.
It's just a bit of a character, wasn't it?
Yeah, he was like genuinely buzzing that people were looking at his apartments. He's clearly spent a long time getting them right as well, because like he's just done up the full building. Yeah. So I think he's a pretty nice guy. Yeah. So today, it's been 2 weeks since we got to Hanoi. We've not really vlogged, we've been getting things very set up around here. So I've got a job, Matt's got a job. In fact, I've nearly got 2 jobs. And I'll give you a little tour of our apartment that we rent. So, starting from here, this is our bedroom. Now the apartment is fully brand new, like literally just been done up. So it's a little bit empty, but it's also really good. So we've got like the TV and the wardrobe and then the bed. And then you go out into, Matt's just sitting in the hallway putting his shoes on, I'm not quite sure why. Then we've got little living area here, table and sofa. Then we have our kitchen and dining room. So we've got a nice big table. It's loads of space, way too much more than we need, but it's nice to have that little bit of extra room. And we've got our kitchen, and I've got some coordinating tea towels already, because you've got to have your coordinating tea towels. And then we've got the washing machine, and then the bathroom. So nice big mirror that lights up, which is lovely. And sink, toilet, shower, toilet roll. I'm gonna find a better place to put that because it looks like we're displaying our toilet roll. Anyway, and that is it. And here's our fridge. And all in all, with our electricity, it comes to around $435 a month, that's including our electric. So, and then all our bills, Wi-Fi, water, everything's included. So in English terms, that's about £340 a month.
Less than that.
Less than 340, something like that. So compared to what we can get at home, if we wanted this apartment at home in a similar area, because we're right in like the most expensive area of Hanoi, where all the expats live. So it's probably the equivalent to living in like the northern quarter at home. To get an apartment like this, it'd cost you upward of 600 quid, maybe more. So we're really pleased with it, and it's awesome. So today we are off for the day. Matt's finished his work for the morning, so we're just going to go out, get some sandwiches, and then we're going to go and check out a little makers market that they've got on here. So see you soon.